Shuhada.
Give him also for null.
Null free. Metro and they will pay only 30, no?
Yeah.
Shuhada.
Kaliwali ka, Birds Khalifa, kaliwali. You put only the metro inside. It's good.
Okay. I will try tomorrow.
Yeah, put the RTA metro there.
My friend, what else can you sing in Tagalog?
Only this.
Bahay Kubo.
Kantahin mo nga. Eh.
Sing the song, Kapampangan, you know, Jo Kaluguranda ka? Yeah, there's a lot of Kapampangan here. Sing that song.
Or also Bisaya.
Bisaya. Ginuhugma.
When I find girlfriend, then I...
We will look girlfriend for you.
Again, may tatlong
May tatlong bibig ako nakita.
Mataba. Mataba.
Mataba, mataba, mataba.
Oh, hindi ako mataba.
Turkish man yata siya. Turkish siya na.
Another word.
mataba, mapaya.
Mapaya.
Paya.
Mapayat. Mataba.
Ngunit
Wala, this is all your family name in one
Yeah.
bottle.
Yes. Make it a good.
siyang leader na nagsabi ng
Kwak, kwak.
Kwak, kwak.
Kwak.
Kwak, kwak.
For the
Bili na,
Filipino version.
bili na.
May tatlong chismosa.
Only 50, my friends.
Nakita, isang maharot. Makati.
I don't understand.
That's Filipino version.
Is this edible? No.
You can eat that.
Yeah.
Looks like sugar. Colored sugar.
So,
This is salt? Oh, really?
Like this, okay?
di ba papangalan ko eh?
Okay, yes. Jog mo, my John Jr. Ay, layo mo. Ayan. My friend, show it again.
1 minute, I will write 2,000.
John.
It must be have heart.
Yeah.
Heart already have.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Magawa kang ganyan. It takes a lot of practice na, my friend, for this to
2 years.
2 years of practice. Wow. You even made the logo for the football team. Yeah.
Sa inyo nga pa dadalhin.
If you mix all the sand here together, it cannot be filtered anymore.
I will make against black.
Ah, you will make it black again? Ah, this one? You just color it? But this one, different.
Which one? 300.
Only 50, madam. Do this one. This one, only 50.
Yeah.
souvenir, souvenir.
Ang lambot eh, oh.
Basahan mo nga pre kung ang lasa. Yung
Tastes
pula.
good. Tastes like cherry. This one tastes like pineapple. I have a pere. I have a apple.
Souvenir.
Souvenir, only 50 for this one.
Souvenir, souvenir. Nakaka-amaze talaga yun. Amazing. You like it?
Only 50.
Yeah, buy one. 50 only.
You can put your name inside the bottle.
Yes.
Display it to you in your room.
Walang pera.
Souvenir! Souvenir, souvenir.
Souvenirs, sand art.
That's why I'm not buying.
You know, we are your lucky customer. Later, you'll have many customers.
Yes, sir.
Because we are your first customer. We'll bring you good luck.
Hi there!
Souvenirs. Oh, very nice job, no? See?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow!
Oh.
Amazing!
Hi.
Yeah. Only 50 for this one.
Diyan ka ba yan? Regalo.
50 only, te.
50.
Oh, 50. That is Spanish. It's 50. 50 in Tagalog. Ha? Palagay nyo ba yung pangalan nyo? Remembrance. 50 lang. Hindi. Nagpa-customize kami ng pangalan.
Close. Sa check it down.
Hindi pala na kasi sa ano talaga siya ate, sa para sa may buwangin talaga siya ng ano. Ano daw, saan na daw yun?
Nice, oh.
Good, no?
Confused boyfriend. If she's with me, oh my god, I check out. Walang ano man. Oh.
My friend.
Yeah.
Paper bag also.
There's your friend.
Hindi nga pre.
Ah, he's there.
Salamat ng marami. Hindi ka na.
Diba?
Ay, bayad mo?